If you have a business operating on modern-day IT infrastructure, just like many of our clients, you are looking for an IT experience that is more agile, responsive, reliable, and less expensive to maintain over the long haul. While backup, restore, and disaster recovery are some of the amazing technologies that Acclivis already provides, we are now moving a step further to offer the most intelligent and advanced managed data services. Harnessing high-performing, dedicated regional data centers, Acclivis Intelligent Data Management Services deliver instant recoveries, hands-free management, automated workflows, easy cloud adoption, all converting to hard dollars saved for your enterprise. This is the future of data as a service. You get to choose the service plan suited for your company and pay as you scale. With near zero RTO and RPO, simplified backup automation based on SLAs, GDPR compliance, and high-security technology, powered by Rubrik. Our team of dedicated data engineers and DR specialists will manage your data 24/7, leaving you to focus on your business performance. Let us help you unleash the future of digital, now. For more information, visit us at acclivis.com.